Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you from where you can get these Windows 11 lock screen wallpapers. To get started, simply search for run. Now in the run dialog box, type this location and click on OK. From here, find this folder. Now inside it, go to LocalState folder, then Assets folder. So these are your image files. Simply copy them and paste it in your desired location in a new folder. Now in the address bar, simply type cmd and hit enter. Now once this cmd window opens up, simply type in this command and hit enter to execute it. Now select all the image files, press F2 and press 1 and hit enter. It will rename all the image files. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.